I think hard to say the highlight. I think the most highlighted siguro is really we see really more people working together gyud. As mentioned nga, all four chambers are working together even outside Cebu. We're working with more partners. There's something to increase partners from Manila. You see a lot of the younger generation also getting involved, working with the province and Cebu City as well. So it's really the partnerships good ang highlight good this year yun. I think each of the event manggod will really have their own value and contribution into the transformation of Cebu yun. Kana.
You mentioned about the action.
Yeah.
Is it
So,
part of the CBM also?
It's still part of the CBM. That's something na Ad Congress has always been in Cebu before. There's also something that we want to bring back. So, but we're not going to call it Ad Congress. We're calling it Philippine Advertising Conference. We're expecting about between 500 to 1,000 people. So we're bringing in the expert people from Unilever, from YouTube, from TikTok. And a lot of the brands and agencies are also going to come to Cebu. Hopefully, it really does bring back regional travel and more MICE business for us. That's connection to the BICON, like as mentioned by Pres Reagan, that we want mid-year to have our own festival. So this year's going to be exciting. It's happening in Mactan, Town. It's by the beach. So it's having a festival by the beach between 20 to 25,000 people. Really collaboration good. It's really collaboration with so many different people. We see also more active sponsor partners that really becomes part of the working committee. But that's really one of the biggest change. I would like to invite everybody to go to our Cebu Business Month page. Be on the lookout for the activities that's actually happening, because there's to be a series of announcements and exciting speakers and programs that's actually going to happen.